Hey guys, so for this video we're going to try to do something different. I've been getting some footage together of some of the recipes that I created and stuck to religiously, and it helped me through my weight loss journey. So I just like to share my ongoing food journal with you guys so that you can see results with your hard work without sacrificing the things you enjoy. Today I'm going to be making my Grannie Smith dark chocolate superfood parfait. I know that is a mouthful, I can barely say it myself, but let's go over the ingredients, which is Greek yogurt with honey, and also 1 Granny Smith apple, and also the dark chocolate superfood granola. I get this from the Aldi store, but you can always get what you like. So let's put this together. So you're going to start by slicing your apples into squares. I am making a lunch portion, but if you prefer a snack size, just cut these ingredients in half. You don't need that much if you're just using it for a snack size. Also, you're adding about 3 heaping spoons, or translated to about a 1/4 cup or so of Greek yogurt with honey. Go ahead and add about 3 heaping spoons or so. Now before I mix this, I'm gonna go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup or so of granola, saving just a little bit for the topping later on after I mix it thoroughly. So you're going to mix this well, and you're going to drizzle with the remaining granola that I told you to put aside. I'm going to go ahead and stop here for the recipe, but when I do eat this as a lunch or even as a snack, I would add at least a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'll also add about a 1/2 tablespoon of nuts or seeds such as like a pumpkin, sunflower, walnuts, almonds, or a mixture of all of those things. It's important to have those nuts and seeds when you're on your journey to weight loss as well, to keep up your energy. And here you are, my Grannie Smith dark chocolate superfood parfait. It's easy to make if you're like me and have trouble letting go of sweets, and it really does curb that need for sweets. So I really do hope you give it a shot. So if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe to this channel to help its growth and also its efforts in fundraising for important causes within our community. See you next time.